This 18th and 17th World Congress had about 900 presenters across the globe, 10 keynotes, and we had 2 cadaver labs. This convention was certified by Johns Hopkins University and St. Louis University for continuing medical education, CME. CME is a major part of accreditation and training of physicians who are learning new technologies and innovations in the field. Have to demonstrate basically competency in that area and change their practice based on new knowledge. So we are delighted to have a partnership with Johns Hopkins and also St. Louis University.
It's been amazing. The experience that SBMT gives us introduces you to the new medicine, the new transformative technologies that are out there. And from what we learn from medical school all the way to what we have right now, that gap is what SBMT is solving for students and newly grad physicians as myself.
And this is my first time being here, and I've never been to anything like this. 3 days of 900 presenters and the various topics they've been talking about. They're just so involved. Like even Dr. Kateb, he has so many people. There's a huge society that he's running, but he knows all of the fellows personally, and he makes sure that we're just the best version of ourselves, and I just really appreciate that.
It was a really amazing experience. Being in a room of so many bright individuals is quite overwhelming. One of the highlights had to be Dr. Kateb's energy. I was very impressed with how he can move a room like that. Quite impressive.
I just really appreciate the energy and again the diversity that Dr. Kateb brings together. It's fairly unique, especially in any STEM field. It tends to be not so diverse. This is diverse both culturally and professionally, so it really hits that sweet spot of ideal collaborative environment and synergy, really.
I've learned a lot. My leadership skills have transformed in ways I never thought possible. And these are skills that I can take and apply it to elsewhere, whether it be in my work or even just life in general. I've learned to manage relationships and building connections and building new friendships. And so thank you.
SBMT has all this opportunity for the doctors that would like to pursue this kind of field. I think also the environment, the co-workers that are working currently in SBMT is really good. The environment is really good, so all of us, we can grow together and to achieve publications, papers.
SBMT did influence me in ways where I knew what to do with my career. I got the opportunity to network with doctors in their research that I couldn't have the chance to get in contact with initially. So SBMT is a great network of physicians, researchers, philanthropists. It really changes your life. It takes your career in a path where you wouldn't imagine, they're mentors, and I found what I'm looking for.